Hello guys and welcome back with another video. Today I'm gonna tell a little about my Facebook site, my new Facebook site. I made that yesterday, I guess. I don't remember. I was supposed to share a video yesterday, but I didn't have time, and I don't have time the whole week because only until Friday because I have tests on school and stuff. So I have to focus on school. I'm sorry guys, but if I had time, of course would upload some videos for you. But anyway, that's all for me today. I'm just gonna tell a little about my channel, like you see here at the picture at the background when I'm talking. You can see a few things that I already have uploaded. I have invited a few friends to check it out. You can check it out. It's free, of course. You can go in and like my page site. But anyway, guys, I just hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button. Check my Facebook site. I'll leave a link below, down below. And see you on the next video, which is come out Friday, this Friday. Bye, guys. See you soon.